Alright, the time has come to officially meet Power BI. A quick summary here. Power BI is a leading data visualization and business intelligence tool that converts data from different data sources to create interactive dashboards and BI reports. Now, this might confuse you a bit, so let's discuss what Power BI actually does. As you can see, on the left hand side, we have a data which is not really insightful, and on the other hand we have a beautiful report which is created using Power BI. So with using Power BI you can break the data into different charts and graphs to get the useful insights from the data using Power BI. Now let's discuss why Power BI, since there are so many other tools as well. So why Power BI? Using Power BI, you can connect, transform, and analyze millions of rows of data. And you can connect to different data sources such as different cloud platforms, different flat files, different databases. You can easily create an automated data extracting and data shaping ETL procedures. Secondly, you can build rational data models to blend data from multiple sources, like creating table relationships to analyze the holistic performance across the entire data model. Thirdly, you can define complex calculations using data analysis expression, which is known as DAX. And DAX is super simple to use. Fourthly, we can visualize the data with the interactive dashboards and report using Power BI. And last but not the least, Power BI is the industry leader among all BI platforms. So whichever platforms you see on Google like Tableau and other platforms, Power BI is the leader among them.